Hi, and welcome to our look at Tana, where we're talking about what might be the most interesting note-taking and productivity tool you've never heard of. What if you could combine the best parts of Notion, Obsidian, and Roam Research, add powerful AI capabilities, and make it all work together seamlessly? That's exactly what Tana brings to the table. Think about your current workflow: scattered notes, disconnected tasks, and information spread across multiple apps. Tana solves this with what they call Supertags, which are basically smart templates that can adapt to whatever you're working on. Want to track projects, create a customer database, build a knowledge management system? Supertags make it all possible in one place. But here's where it gets really interesting. What if your notes could actually think and work for you? Tana's AI integration, powered by some serious technology from Anthropic and OpenAI, helps you summarize meetings, generate content, and even suggest connections between your ideas that you might have missed. Pretty cool, right? You might be wondering how this actually works in practice. Well, imagine starting your day with a clean, organized, daily page that automatically pulls in your calendar events and tasks. As you take notes during meetings, Tana's AI assistant is there to help capture action items and key points. Later, when you're working on a project, all those scattered pieces of information are connected through Tana's knowledge graph, showing you relationships you never knew existed. One of the things we're really excited about is Tana's flexibility. Whether you're a writer working on your next book, a startup founder managing your team, or a researcher collecting data, Tana adapts to your needs. The outline editor makes it simple to structure your thoughts, while different views like Kanban boards and tables let you see your information exactly how you want to. The Tana community, which includes over 24,000 members on Slack, has been raving about how this tool has changed their workflow. They've recently secured $14 million in funding, showing that some serious players believe in what they're building. As this AI review suggests, Tana is worth checking out if you're looking for a powerful, flexible workspace that grows with you. Speaking of pricing, Tana offers two main plans: Tana Plus at $10 per month, which includes Google Calendar integration and AI meeting tools, and Tana Pro at $18 per month, which adds advanced builder and creator tools. Both plans give you access to the core features that make Tana special. Want to learn more about Tana and see if it's right for you? You can find this AI review and more detailed information by visiting jimcarter.me and searching for Tana. Thanks for exploring this fascinating tool with us.